Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you thinking about your retirement but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll show you how to start a retirement fund and secure your financial future. First of all, let's discuss why starting early is crucial. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time. Compound interest can help your savings grow exponentially, making it easier to achieve your retirement goals. Secondly, let's talk about setting retirement goals. Before starting your retirement fund, consider, when do you want to retire? Age 60, 65, or 70? What kind of lifestyle do you want in retirement? Travel, hobbies, or simply relaxing? How much will you need to save? Estimate your retirement expenses and income needs. Let's talk about retirement account options. Explore these retirement account options. 401k or employer-sponsored plan contributes pre-tax dollars, potentially reducing your taxable income. IRA, individual retirement account, contributes after-tax dollars, but grows tax-deferred. Roth IRA contributes after-tax dollars, but grows tax-free and withdrawals are tax-free. Let's talk about how to start your retirement fund. Choose a retirement account that suits you. Consider fees, investment options, and tax benefits. Set up automatic contributions monthly or quarterly. Take advantage of employer matching if available to boost your contributions. Start small and increase contributions over time as your income grows. Now, let's talk about tips for success. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Be consistent with your contributions. Treat it like a monthly bill. Monitor and adjust your investments. Consider rebalancing your portfolio periodically. Avoid dipping into your retirement fund for non-essential expenses. Keep it separate from your emergency fund. Starting a retirement fund may seem daunting, but with a solid plan and consistent effort, you can secure your financial future. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your retirement goals. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice.